Good afternoon, students. In our last class, we learnt about our Karnataka. As I told you before, our Karnataka is being divided into 4 divisions, that is Bengaluru Division, Belagavi Division, Mysuru Division and Kalaburgi Division. Under Bengaluru Division, we had 9 districts. They are Shivamogga, Davanagere, Chitradurga, Tumakuru, Chikkaballapura, Bengaluru Rural, Bengaluru Urban, Ramanagara and Kolara. After that, we learnt about the history of Bengaluru Division, and then we were studying about the natural resource of Bengaluru Division. Under natural resource, we were studying about rivers, isn't it, students? Now, let us know about the rivers. Some of the rivers take birth in Western Ghat. Let us know which are those. That is Uttara Pinakini, Dakshina Pinakini, Vedavati, Shimsa, Tungabhadra, Sharavati, Varada, etc. Now river Sharavati flows into the western direction and joins the Arabian Sea. Let us move on with the 2 important waterfalls that are found in Bengaluru Division. Jog Falls in Shivamogga and Mrityala Madhu in Bengaluru are the 2 famous waterfalls that are found in Bengaluru Division. Now let's move on to dams. What are dams? Dam is a barrier that stops or restricts the flow of water, forming a reservoir that suppresses floods and provides for water for irrigation and electricity. Now, excess of water will be stored. A dam will be constructed and this water will be used for irrigation and generation of electricity. Now, I will give you some example, that is Gajanuru and Tungabhadra Dam in Shivamogga, Vani Vilasa Dam, Hariyuru Taluk of Chitradurga, and another dam at Marakonahalli of Tumakuru district. So, these are some of the examples for the dams that are found in Bengaluru Division. Now, let us move on with the scarcity of water. Water is most important and exhausted natural resource. We should not waste water. Many of our rivers are dried out due to environmental pollution, starting of more and more industries, then emission from the industries, deforestation, that is cutting of trees, or forest for getting more products from forest or building purposes, and uncontrolled urbanization in cities and growing of many industries. These are the main reasons for the scarcity of water. Many rivers were there in ancient time, but many of such rivers are not at all seen now. And Bengaluru Division is facing scarcity of water because of extinct of many rivers. Next is mineral deposits. Gold mines. Most productive gold mines are there in Karnataka. Iron deposits are found in Chitradurga and Tumakuru. Copper ore deposits are found in Chitradurga. It is said that minerals necessary for atomic energy production are available in Chitradurga. Chitradurga is having very rich source of minerals. Let us know about forest. Forests are also very important aspect of natural resource because so many rich plants and trees are grown and they give protection to many wild animals, birds, etc. Now let us know where these forests are located. Shivamogga has dense forest covered. You know very well I told that Shivamogga gets heavy rainfall. So it is covered with dense or thick forest. Bengaluru urban district has least forest covered because of growth of cities and many industries. Now, the district has forests ranging from Evergreen Forest to deciduous forest. There are many types of forest. Among them, one is evergreen forest. Evergreen forest means the trees and plants are always green throughout the year because of sufficient rainfall. Then deciduous forest. Deciduous forest means the trees and plants are green only during the rainy season. Then Sahyadri mountain range passes on the borders of the Shivamogga district. Sahyadri mountains, you might have heard that these forests have many rich trees like bamboo, banyan, tamarind, sandalwood, dandiga, teak, jali, mango and neem trees. Minor forest products has been the means of livelihood of many people. That means there are many people who are dependent on this forest for their livelihood or for occupation. Now let us move on with mountains. Haluru Rameshwara Gudda in Chitradurga district. Students, please remember the point that it is the tallest mountain in Bengaluru Division. I repeat it again. Halu Rameshwara Gudda in Chitradurga is the tallest mountain in Bengaluru Division. Kavale Durga in Shivamogga is one of the ancient mountain. Chandragutti in Shivamogga, again Kodachadri mountain in Shivamogga district. Nandi Durga in Chikkaballapura. I hope you might have seen Nandi Hills, which is located in Chikkaballapura of Bengaluru Division. Let us learn about the wild animals. There are many wild animals in Bengaluru Division forest. They are wildcat, tiger, leopard, bison, wild pig, deer, bear and wolf, etc. Now let us move on with the wildlife sanctuaries and national parks and forest reserves of Bengaluru Division. Long back, during the ancient time, hunting the animal was great amusement for the king and many other people. Now it is been forbidden by the government in order to protect the rare wild animals and birds. Government has taken measure by building wildlife sanctuaries, national parks and forest reserves to protect the birds and animals. Some of such sanctuaries are Jogimatti Forest Reserve at Chitradurga, Bannerghatta National Parks in Bengaluru, Bhadra Wild Sanctuary in Chikkamangaluru, Sharavati Wildlife Sanctuary in Shivamogga, Chettihalli Wildlife Sanctuary in Shivamogga. Now, let us see about few bird sanctuaries in Bengaluru Division. They are Gudavi Bird Sanctuary in Shivamogga, Mandagudde Bird Sanctuary in Shivamogga, Koggaladu Bird Sanctuary in Tumakuru, Ramadevara Betta Vulture Sanctuary in Ramanagara. Here, different types of vultures are given protection. So now you can see many vultures in this bird sanctuary. Other than that, you can see Jayamangali Blackbuck Sanctuary in Tumakuru. In this sanctuary, the different types of deers are given protection. So that was about bird sanctuary. Now let us move on with agriculture. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people in Bengaluru Division. This division had more of dry land agriculture. The agricultural activity are mainly based on the rain, or we can say that the agricultural activity is rain dependent. Shivamogga district is well irrigated. This division has sand mixed red soil. Black soil is also available in some parts. So now let us know about the main crops of Bengaluru Division. Ragi, maize, paddy, groundnut and various pulses. They are the main crops of Bengaluru Division. Coconut, aracanut, cotton, sugarcane and others. Mulberry, which is the backbone of silk industry, is cultivated in Bengaluru and Ramanagara districts. Fruits like sapota, papaya, jackfruit, orange and banana grown in this division. Ragi and rice are the major staple food in this division. Rotis made of ragi and rice are consumed more. The usage of chapati made out of wheat flour is more in recent times. Sweets like payasa, holige, khichdi, shevige are consumed during festivals. The government has established agricultural produce markets in all taluks and district headquarters. Here the farmers can sell their food directly. The government has made granaries and warehouse in all districts and taluks where the farmers can store their products and they themselves can go and sell their products directly. Students, this was about agriculture and main food crops. Now let us move on with the industries. M. Vishweshwaraya is the founder of our state's industrial sector. This means, students, he found or he laid the foundation to develop the industries in Bengaluru Division. He implemented the forethought of Krishnadevaraya Vodiyar IV. If we don't establish industries now, we cannot attain progress. He said that if we won't develop with industries in our Bengaluru division, then we will always stay back and we will never improve. Then big industries have been established in places like Bengaluru, Bhadravati, Tumakuru, Shivamogga and other places. Bengaluru is most important industrial place in India. Bengaluru is known for IT and BT industries. Other industries active in Bengaluru are aeronautic and electronics. We can also say that Bengaluru is an best example for smart city, isn't it, students? It is an industrial based place of Karnataka. There is an iron and steel industry in Bhadravati of Shivamogga district. It was established in 1923. This industry is called as Vishveshwaraya Iron and Steel Industries Limited. There is a paper production factory here. It was established in 1936. The first cement factory of state was established in Bhadravati. The Birla Cement factory is in Amasandra of Thumakuru district. Karnataka is ranked second in the export of garments. Government had established apparel parks in the cities like Doddaballapura, Anikal in order to promote the production of ready-made garments so that they can have a good export of these garments. There are public as well as private companies too. For today's students, now in our next class, let us learn about education, freedom fighter and art and literature. So have a great day. Thank you.